Welcome to FashionSEEDS and the FashionSEEDS platform. This is a resource for fashion tutors, and it is an opportunity to explore and understand fashion design for sustainability. It's an online platform, and it helps us consider what to teach, how to teach, who to teach with, and how far we can change or transform our teaching through the discipline of fashion design for sustainability. This platform has been designed with fashion tutors' needs in mind. We know that tutors are extremely time poor, but we know that tutors are committed to exploring sustainability through teaching and learning. So we want FashionSEEDS to be a reference point that you can return to time and time again as you build your practice, your knowledge and your expertise in fashion design for sustainability. So this is a little tour of the platform so that you can get to know it and understand how you might access it to inform your work. We're on the home page currently, and this is where you can find a little bit of information about the platform itself and why we've designed it. And it also introduces a key navigation tool for FashionSEEDS, which are the pillars of sustainability. Through FashionSEEDS, we have explored a holistic take on fashion and sustainability, and we have explored 4 different lenses in which we can look at fashion. That is through culture, through society, through the economy, and through the environment. So that gives you a little bit of grounding and understanding as to that kind of key reference point for FashionSEEDS. You can see across the top here we have a number of tabs which organise the information on the platform. We're going to navigate to how to use, and this tells you a little bit, explores a little bit some of the things that I'm talking about here and now, and explains the different elements on the platform. Somewhere we can navigate to here are the 3 personas. Now these are a set of resources, downloadable PDF resources that demonstrate some of the challenges that and the kind of the personas that you as educators may well be thinking about when you're accessing the platform. So we've kind of thought about, well, who are the different types of tutors that might be accessing FashionSEEDS? Are you early on in your journey? Are you very expert and very trained and experienced in delivering fashion design for sustainability? Or are you somewhere in the middle? How is your institutional aligned to your values? So we've got a resource here that allows you to locate yourself within there and think about how you might access FashionSEEDS. Coming back to the platform, we have the Tutors Toolkit here, and this is where we have got a set of resources that can really help you in your work in adapting and designing curriculum with fashion design for sustainability in mind. So within the Tutors Toolkit, we have 4 different tools. We have the Course Designer, we have the Design Canvas, we have the FashionSEEDS cards, and we have the Learning Activity tool. And in the breakout rooms today, we're going to be exploring some of these in a bit more detail. But I really urge you to take some time to dig in and have a little look around and just get a feel for them. These are a set of tools that can help you when you're either whether you're adapting a piece of existing coursework curriculum and you're thinking, oh, I just want to kind of sprinkle it and add in some really brilliant resources. Or actually, are you looking to take a step back and really think about how you design and you deliver teaching and learning for fashion that is putting nature and equity first at the forefront of that learning? And all of these resources have been designed by the FashionSEEDS team. We've worked collaboratively to create and critique each other's work to ensure that we've got a really robust and highly referenced set of resources here for you to work through. In the resources section, we have a number of key resources. We have the FashionSEEDS reader. Now, this is a really important element of the FashionSEEDS platform. There's a little film here from Dilys that you can spend some time looking at to introduce it. But the reader itself is a really key reference point to FashionSEEDS, and it explores the key concepts within FashionSEEDS. So we talked a little bit about the 4 pillars, but we also have a number of other key concepts within FashionSEEDS, including pedagogic principles, the notion of the fashion education system, scales of transformation, fashion design for sustainability as a discipline, capabilities, competencies and skills, and the fashion tutor, a sustainable self. So this is a really kind of comprehensive exploration of these key concepts. Going back to the platform, we can see here we have a library, and this is where you can access books, articles and chapters, reports, and a glossary. We have a selection of curated external platforms where the team have been through a range of online platforms that exist, either developed by partners within the FashionSEEDS partnership or trusted friends and colleagues in other places and other locations. But these, for us, are a really useful and essential set of resources and reference points that you as fashion educators may wish to explore. And finally, we have project reports. So this is where you can dig into the background of the project and how we came about and the kind of work that we've done. And in the About section, you can learn about the partners here. So here today we have our colleagues from University of the Arts London, Politecnico di Milano, Estonian Academy of the Arts, and Design School Kolding. So that finishes our tour. It's a whistle-stop tour. But I hope that you find the time to come back and have a little browse around the site and see how it could inform your work as a fashion educator. Thank you.